Welcome to my honest review of BosleyMD BOSRevive conditioner. I've been using this product for several weeks now, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I experienced, how the product works, and whether I think it's worth your time and money. BosleyMD markets this as a conditioner specifically designed for people dealing with thinning hair, especially those with non-color treated hair. The formula claims to support scalp health, enhance volume, and stimulate healthier hair growth. Upon first use, the consistency is noticeably rich and thick, which is a good sign for a conditioner targeting weakened strands. It has a mild mini scent that feels refreshing on the scalp. One of the key ingredients in BOSRevive is saw palmetto, a botanical extract that's commonly associated with blocking DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning. It also includes panthenol and biotin, both known for strengthening and thickening hair. The application process is straightforward. After shampooing, I left the conditioner in for about 5 minutes before rinsing. The tingling sensation on the scalp felt like it was actually doing something. But of course, that's not necessarily a guarantee of effectiveness. What really matters is the long-term result, and I've been tracking my progress. After 2 weeks, I noticed my hair felt slightly fuller, especially at the crown. It didn't dramatically increase growth, but there was definitely less breakage when combing. Over time, the overall texture of my hair became smoother, and styling became easier. However, if you're expecting overnight miracles, this isn't the product for that. It works slowly, and patience is necessary. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now back to the conditioner. One downside I experienced was slight scalp dryness in the first few days, which subsided after adjusting the amount I used. Another consideration is the price point. BOSRevive isn't cheap, and the bottle may not last long if you have longer hair. Still, the product is sulfate-free and color-safe, which is a major plus for anyone concerned about harsh chemicals. If you're dealing with mild to moderate thinning and want something to support your current hair care routine, this could be a solid addition. It's probably not going to regrow large bald patches, but it can help you maintain what you have and maybe even thicken it a bit with consistent use. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out or you're curious about more hair care solutions, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest product breakdowns.